Hey guys, my name is Matt and I'm co-owner of the Tackle Room. Stay tuned for another great how-to video. One of the biggest mistakes we see is people crimping sleeves improperly. So today we're going to talk about how to do a simple crimp. We're going to show it in monofilament as well as cable because there is a slight difference between the two. Let's start off with the mono. This is a 1.6 sleeve, double copper. We're going to put the mono in one end and come through the other, and we're just going to crimp a simple loop. I'm going to pull it down just a little bit. So the first thing to point out is you have two barrels here. The objective to crimping is to crush these two barrels together. We're not going to flatten the entire thing. We're just going to try to push these two barrels together. So I'm going to crimp this in the second hole of my crimper. And the next thing to point out is we're not going all the way to the edge. And this is what will differ between the mono and the cable. We're going to leave a little bit sticking out of the edge of the crimper. Now this is going to flare the sleeve so I don't crush into the mono itself with an edge. Once you're in position, give it a good squeeze. Next you're going to come back a little bit because we need to crimp a little bit more. Again, we're leaving a little bit sticking out to flare this end as well. And give it a good squeeze. And that is what a properly crimped sleeve should look like. Now with the cable, because we get this question too, is do you have to flare the ends? And the answer to that is no. With the cable, it's stainless and you're using copper, so there's no way to crush or damage the stainless with a soft copper sleeve. So you can come right to the edge and crimp that down. Move down a little bit further. And this is a 1.9 sleeve, so we're actually going to have to crimp this 3 times. Give that a good squeeze. And now we don't leave any sticking out here. We can actually cover the entire sleeve up and crimp it. And that's how you crimp cable.